So before we answer the specific question, are push-ups a good warm-up before lifting weights? I want to first address the 3 phases of a perfect warm-up. So in a perfect world, I like to break the warm-up down into 3 phases. However, based on how much time you have, your age, and injury history, it's not always required to complete all 3 phases. So phase 1, the first phase is what most people would consider the traditional warm-up. This is usually comprised of a dynamic mobility flow and body weight exercises that will help elevate your heart rate, to warm up your muscles, and lubricate your joints. So examples of this include the dynamic warm-up flow and wall slides. Now, phase 2 of the warm-up is called the activator set. So after the traditional warm-up is over, if the goal of the workout is muscle building, I'll sometimes include activator sets. So I program activator sets for my students in my Live Lean Mass 2.0 muscle building program. Activator sets are programmed before big, heavy lifts and are designed to start the mind-to-muscle connection of the targeted muscle. So this is where a push-up can be a great warm-up, as it can help the muscles in the chest activate, fire, and contract before overloading the chest with a big lift like the barbell bench press. Now, the third and final optional phase of the warm-up is completing a few warm-up sets of the first exercise in your program. So depending on your age, past injuries, it is usually good to complete a few light warm-up sets before loading the bar with your full working weight. So this helps your muscle gradually feel and ease into the movement with a lighter weight prior to lifting heavier. So after this, you should feel properly warmed up. This is when your first working set begins. Okay, so now that I provided context around the perfect warm-up, let's get to today's viewer question.
Hi, Brad and Jessica from Coast to Georgian on Twitter. Are push-ups a good warm-up exercise before weightlifting?
Push-ups would be great for warm-up if you're doing a chest day or a bench press or something. Something I like to do body weight before your actual workout that you're doing, because it warms up your muscles. It tells your body that we're hitting the chest before you throw too much load or too much weight on it. So yeah, it's a great exercise. It can also warm up the body even if you're not doing chest. What I like to do for my warm-ups is I like to start really low weight. So if it's a squat day, I'll just squat the bar for a few reps, get my body warmed up, then I'll add a little bit of weight to it, until I start my working set. So I'll do, because I'm getting older, I'm getting up there in age, I need to warm my body up longer. So sometimes it takes me 3 to 4 warm-up sets before I'm ready for my working sets.
And that's a good point that you're making, that push-ups alone may not get you as warm as you want to be for like a max lift, you know? So it depends on what workout you're doing. But push-ups are like the beginning of a warm-up.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, it warms up your body. It tells your chest that we're going to hit you up with some weight. So it's a good way to go, man.
Push-ups are just awesome in general, and you can do them anywhere.
I was going to say it's the most badass exercise, but I think pull-ups.
It's not that badass.
Pull-ups. I mean, like from a Navy SEAL
just
standpoint, like, you know, it's push-ups and pull-ups.
But I like doing different variations of push-ups, so you don't just do regular ones all the time. Like, change your hand grips. Like, he has a lot of great videos on like plyometric push-ups and alternating grip push-ups and like pike push-ups, and there's so many that you should be using. So don't just use regular push-ups as a warm-up. Use all types of push-ups, like in your workouts too.
To find the best program for you, go take our Live Lean Body quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goal. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body quiz, link in the video description below. Question of the day. What is your favorite way to warm up before lifting weights? Share your experiences in the comments section below. Now I want you to go check out the video that I did right over here on how to properly warm up using those lighter sets. I give you the calculations. Go check out the video right over here.